Hola, good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Morning, morning. What a pump in the markets. What a pump on NQ. Pretty much filled the gap that he had above. Had a gap above. Let's see how it's gonna react here. Yeah, I had a little gap. Now it's rejecting that gap. But it's definitely looking very strong. Pretty much Nvidia and Apple. I don't like gap and go days, but I'm pretty happy with this because I told you guys I was buying a bunch of stuff last week when the market was down. That was 2 weeks ago when the market was down. So I'm pretty happy with this. I don't like it for the challenge, for the futures challenge that I'm doing because I don't like trading gap and go days. But we'll see, it's too early to say that. We still can have a pullback and maybe an opportunity to play the upside continuation. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm super pumped for December. I do feel like I've been saying this and I still think that December is going to be very bullish day. Hopefully it's going to give us good setups. It's too early to say that, but yeah, I'm very bullish on December. Because most of the time when we have a pullback that the one that we had in November and October, December is pretty bullish. And it's different from last year because last year we didn't have the pullback that we got this year right before December. Let's see how our friends from Discord are doing. Hola. Morning, morning,
Hello,
guys.
hello. Good morning, good morning.
What a pump.
Hola.
Yeah, pretty wild.
Yeah. Gap and go days are not my days.
Mm. We talked about that earlier. These days can be tough.
Um,
Pretty tough day to trade this.
yeah, but NQ filled the gap that he had above, so that's pretty good.
I mean, yes. We just have quite the divergence too, right? Like we look at this,
Mm-hmm.
like ES has done nothing and NQ's over the previous day high, it's over the pre-market high. That's its that was resistance. It might turn to support now down at the 540s, 550s. Um, but ES does not look exciting.
Yeah.
Maybe we get a push up to six. I guess at 620, 630, maybe up in there. One more push up. Uh, or we just grind all day.
Hopefully not.
So yeah, I don't love that either.
I mean, I was saying like I'm happy for this pump because I told you guys that I was buying a lot of stuff when the market was down,
Mm-hmm.
so I'm already up a lot with everything, but it's difficult to day trade with futures this type of move. So it's not good for my futures challenge that I'm doing this month.
So this is good for long term stuff right now.
Like, look at the 30-minute candle on NQ compared to ES.
Yeah, it's ugly. ES is being affected by YM though. Financials, probably. Healthcare and all that. Because YM is weak. And tech is like Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft. SMH is strong. So that's why NQ is strong.
Ay, ay, ay. How did you guys end up yesterday?
Yesterday, I was down a lot and came out to close to break even.
Oh, nice.
Then what happened?
Yeah, me too. I ended the day like
Doing in the
$50
morning.
up on each account, which is nice.
Yeah.
With 20 accounts, it's over $1,000, but still, like 4 trades for nothing, or 3 trades for nothing.
Want to see if ES closes below 41 here in the next 5 minutes with this 5-minute candle. Oh, 10 seconds left. See if it will. Essentially, I'm looking for a close below the orb low. Like that. Interesting. Okay. Could get a pull back up to 48-ish. That wouldn't be uncommon. Would push back down, but just there's so much divergence. It is wild how far off these two are.
Seems like a sit on your hands type of day.
Mm.
It might be.
Did you guys get whipped around yesterday?
Yeah. Yeah. I just most of my moves yesterday were just getting taken either break even or getting taken a loss, or it would go like to 80% of my profit target and never get the last 20%, right? Like in terms of
Yeah.
like movement, what I'm looking for, right? Like if I was looking for 20 points, I'd get like 16 points. It would never get to 20. Or whatever the case was, the whole day it felt like that.
Yeah.
That's what was happening to me yesterday. Not enough continuation with the moves I was looking for.
Fix is waking up. Oh.
Do we have data in 3 minutes or 10 at 10:30?
No, we
I
don't.
don't know.
I will try a scalp long goal. What did I keep holding? 5 points.
Any of you trade crypto? There's a
Like,
new prop for trading crypto, and there's no profit target. You basically can apply for
God,
payment after making $100.
no way. Fucking degenerates will be all over that.
It's not Breakthrough or Warbucks, is it?
I think it's Warbox.
I think
The
Warbucks
one
is
that,
Patrick
yeah,
Whalen's
PW was
new
talking about
crypto
that.
prop firm.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What is it called?
One of them was called Breakthrough, I think, and the other one was called Warbucks.
Yeah,
Only seen
Warbucks
two so
is
far.
PW.
Yeah.
That's PW's crypto prop thing, whatever he's
Yeah.
doing.
I don't know if he has like he's part owner or it's just he's getting paid for marketing, right?
Oh, it could just be he could just be an influencer. I mean that is his MO, so that wouldn't surprise me.
I've always wanted to trade it, but that shit looks
Crypto?
dangerous. Yeah.
You can
Well,
trade MBT on Top Step.
What is it?
You
Actually,
can
I've
trade
never
micro
even.
Bitcoin.
Can you?
Yeah, Top Step you can trade micro Bitcoin.
Oh
MBT.
shit.
Not a lot
MBT.
of coins. I think it's super limited, but yeah, you can.
Let me pull it up. Hold on.
let's see how much is the Warbox account. I mean, if
Here we
you
go.
can YOLO that.
Here we
If
go.
you only need to make like $100, you can YOLO that.
I thought he was saying account started like $30, something like that. That's what I thought I had heard. Again, I have not looked into it at all. I've got zero interest, right?
He doesn't
But
even have a link.
Degenerates assemble.
Degens assemble. I guess the question now is: are we finally going to get a push over this, or are we just going to hit ahead on 600 again and come back down?
We're stuck in the middle of the orb.
What I'd like to
Want
do is
long.
I'd like to. Okay, that's a good
If
push
you want
there.
long, NQ is what you're probably looking at for longs, but ES is just gonna range for a little while. It looks like.
630 on NQ is interesting. Again, I have trouble thinking about shorting right now because of what this is doing, but 630 is an interesting spot for me.
Oh shit, MBT, you're right. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. That's pretty cool. Too bad you can't trade it like 24 hours like Bitcoin.
Actual. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Oh, it's only 1 hour.
Spread
It's
is
only 1 hour, right? You can't trade it.
Yeah.
So
yeah, you're right.
pretty close.
The spread is pretty kind of weird. Right.
Whoa, okay.
BRB.
Hi, Anthony.
Hello. Sorry, Zoom decided to auto update.
All good, no worries. Craig, did you want to give Andre a few more moments?
Or do you want to jump in?
I think you can get started.
Okay, perfect. So hi everyone, my name is Brooke. I am a trading
Case, we can
specialist
hear
here at
you. We
Alerted.
can hear everything.
Sorry, guys.
No worries.
So I just didn't want to say anything because I was afraid that they could hear us. I was like, oh
I
shit.
know it was a mute. I thought I muted you guys. No, I muted them.
Okay, okay.
You can join the call
Yeah.
with Alice. It's in the background anyway. Stupid Zoom meetings. I mean, this targets to the upside.
Cancel them.
Yes, I know. I wish. I just got back from a day off too.
Okay, let's see if how ES is gonna react. Like if it can hold 855, pretty much yesterday high. We got another rejection here, but not really.
Not really. I'm like, it's a spot I want to. Like, this is interesting to me to short, but I can't touch this. This is too.
Yeah, still looking pretty strong.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, although this is a good level, and I would want to normally short this, I tried that earlier. I already got beat up with trying to short 30. Was it? What did I try to short? I got to go back down. 45. I try to get in the short on the 45 sweep because ES looked weak, but NQ didn't care. NQ said, "Oh, whatever. I'm going for it anyway."
Yeah, I don't like this for a short.
So I don't want to press again into a short here. Holding 30 now feels more longish than it is shortish.
Ooh, I like this ES hold. Let's see if it's really gonna hold here.
Damn, Sasha, what happened to gold?
Oh, just being gold.
Gold, it rejected Asia.
Mm-hmm.
I have a little resistance here on NQ. Pretty much on ES too. Just trying to hold it as support, but not really. In fact, I kind of like that rejection on ES. You.
kind of want to short this, but I'm not gonna, I'm gonna wait.
I feel you on that.
Just feels like an unnatural push up here. Well, I don't want to short because little things like this, like, okay. Just may not be it for me.
Man, this is hard to read.
Mm-hmm.
Hard to short. And for example, gold. It looked good for shorts, but the market had proven that the downside is not the way.
Yep.
So 39 had been holding, but it looked weak. And the fact that ES and gold are not sync and ES kind of rallying, I don't know. And I'm red from last night, so I'm having a hard time right now to read this.
Okay. It's what I wanted to see.
Yike.
Yeah, yeah. And watch this 610-ish area. So that's what I wanted to see, but I was afraid we are gonna keep pushing up. That's the good move. All right, so watch 600, 610. See what we do there.
It'll be why would the market just retrace the whole pre-market move.
Yeah, I mean, it could hold 600 though too, Sasha. Like this could hold here. This could be the pullback and maybe to get back in long. Not that I'm doing that. I'll be very clear, right? But that could also be the situation.
Yeah.
The one thing that I don't like, or that is interesting, is that ES rejecting, kind of sweeping that high yesterday at 88.55. That is interesting to me. As a possible sign of being all done. We've now pulled that back in. ES is pulled into the halfway point of the orb, right? Smack in the middle of the orb. So at 48, see what it holds there. NQ still over orb high.
Just by looking at this 5-minute candlestick, it's just like I don't want to trade this. It's too wide, too long. Apple
It
is
is.
crazy
It's
strong
coffee and
today.
Interesting. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. We got 600 hold. Wow. What a good hold.
I like this hold on ES. I just don't know if I can trust it.
Yeah, I'm very torn here in terms of shorts. ADR, very really torn because this is NQ especially. Every little pullback has been just pushed right back up.
Yeah, I think the thing
Oh,
is like Nvidia is looking weak now. It's rejecting the VWAP. Apple is still holding pretty strong.
Apple looks really good. Yeah, Nvidia back into like 183, 183 and a quarter. That's interesting. Yes, just sitting in this resistance here at 55.
if anyone want to play shorts, that's the 39 rejection on gold, and it's clean. But I am not gonna take it. Yeah, it is on fancy level. Saw it this morning. I don't remember exactly what was the level.
Be very patient, guys. Just not my favorite price action. Still watch this. Again, if we pull back, watch this 620 right here, the orb high. Kind of see if we hold that. But again, the fact that ES was sitting in resistance that whole time and couldn't do anything. I still want to lean short, but it's a tough spot to be in. Small time frame, that was looking at the 5 minute, that was a lower high we just set. And if we look at ES, that's on NQ. ES, same thing. Almost a double top on ES. Now pushing into the pre-market high on ES. You want more upside, you kind of want to see SPY hold 682.5, 682.6.
I don't like this price action. The 30-minute
I
candles
don't
are
know.
not looking bullish. The price action is kind of funky. I don't like this ES level.
It's a tough spot ADR. Like, this is not great.
No continuation to either side.
Okay. We break out of 640-ish. Maybe some more upside incoming. I mean, shoot, I don't know. Watch like 68, 65 on ES if we start going, but ES is just so far behind. I don't mind that, Ross. Don't mind that. It's just been tough today. But with my trend line here.
That was a nice pullback though to the previous high at 610.
Yep, it definitely was. Okay, so we'll see if 640 can start going, right? Breaking out of this. ES again has about 10 points up, I think. I think it has about 64, 65. So about 8 points now, but had about 10 points up. Holding over 54 is interesting, right? That's a level 2, but it's tough here. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, I can't do much here.
Yeah, we keep holding.
Holding 3 micros, but I don't think it looks good now.
No, I don't love this
This is
either
too
right now.
slow.
This isn't it.
Mm.
This action is not it, right? We looked at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is that? Like over a half hour realistically between 6:15 and 6:40. I mean, yeah, some wicks in and out of that, but I mean, okay. We're now gonna get a push down.
Yike. This is ugly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is rough, everybody. This ain't it. QQ gonna break below the orb high now, so NQ it looks like possibly. Okay, let's look that out. Maybe maybe I should be looking at gold instead.
Yike. Look at that candle. Yes, back to morning low.
Oh my, okay. Look at that sweep down. Jeez Louise. Now breaking below the low. And the funny thing is, NQ's not even at previous day high yet,
Yeah.
right? Like we're still above pre-market high, previous day high. Okay. We're going for like 550, 540 maybe. Look at like this, the way we broke out, right? So look at the 2 minutes, we pushed out, we pushed up again, then we kind of broke out at 540. Going back for 540, we're gonna sweep maybe 560.
What was that? Or it's maybe my trading view? I don't know. That candle was weird. Okay, we filled the gap here. 840. I kind of like this 840 hold on ES. Yeah, I'm gonna try a long here. Let's see. I want to see 840 hold. I'm kind of looking for a quick bounce here and back inside this morning range. Can we do it?
We're back up into this kind of where we held, which is the 575 early this morning. Right back to the previous day high at 540, which is the level I kind of wanted to see us hold. But if we lose that, then I do think we can come down. Beautiful 540 hold though. The exact spot I was.
We'll
I
see.
think we might hold, but it's looking weak. We're still the ES is below the orb low,
What are
pushing
these
lower.
candles? I don't like how these candles are moving. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to close this one.
But below 540, we can. It'll be interesting.
I'm waiting to see how this candle is gonna. Yeah, it's gonna close.
Okay.
So far, it's looking
Very
pretty weak.
interesting
Yeah,
at
yeah, I
540
don't like
here.
it. I'm out. Yeah, I hate this PA.
Yep.
Is this thing bounce and hold 840? I'm gonna be so mad.
Yeah. That's the spot. I don't know. ES still looks super weak though. ADR, like it's like the ES can push down to like 27, 28 still. Looking at like 10 points more downside.
It's not so much about like not respecting the levels. It's I don't like how the candlesticks are forming. They're pretty jumpy.
Went gold long, Sasha. Oh, you were? I don't know. Well, hold on. In now. Jeez. Gold just died. Full blown death. I think gold has even more downside too, maybe. Oh,
That 30-minute gold longs are not good down here. That's just not. Like previous 30-minute candle had massive volume to the downside. Looking for gold longs down here is like catching a falling knife.
yeah, I was gonna say this still feels like gold has more room. I'm not a gold trader though. Sasha is significantly better at gold than me, so don't. I'm just
You
saying,
still have
like, this
London
was
low
rough.
right below. Might go sweep that and then come back down, come back up.
Interesting now that NQ's trying to hold that 540. Ah, this is sucky. Okay. All right, Sasha. It's trying to hold up here though. And what's your PT, Sasha? 28?
Okay, so yes, reacting 840. Can we trust this possible downside continuation here?
I trust nothing,
Yeah.
to be honest with you. I trust absolutely nothing right now.
Mhm. I kind of like it. Ay, yeah. QQQ reacting the VWAP. SPY way under the VWAP.
Nope, stay liquid. This is still interesting.
And we're holding. We're holding.
Mm-hmm. Gold's trying to hold you here. Trying.
The problem is these big ass candlesticks out of nowhere.
Yep. Look at the side of that thing. It's just wild.
Apple just doesn't care. Made a new all-time high today. Just right now.
Back over 600 is going to be very interesting for NQ.
Look at these huge candlestick. Why? Where is this coming from?
Yes, pushing back into resistance at 55. But that's such an aggressive candle back up.
This is crazy.
Back to 630 again. I mean, this is nuts.
Yeah, couldn't this candlestick do that when I was in and long on ES? I've been trading for 9 years and I never had like a lucky move. One time I was I entered Microsoft and I think I got like, I don't know, like $500 on the play, and I got out and like 2 seconds after I sold my position, Microsoft had like a very good news and that thing jumped like $20.
Oh, man.
I never been lucky enough to catch a move like this. Like being on a trade and then having a huge candle in my favor, never.
One time I
One
was
time?
trading Tesla for me. One time.
That must
Trading
be
Tesla, I was
so
in short.
excited.
It's the best.
Yeah.
It was thousands of profit and I was in a small position, not a big position, keep in mind, right? Like my position size was maybe $1,000, and I made hundreds of percents in a matter of 7 seconds. Bad news came out and the thing tanked like 6% in the span of seconds, right? And my cons went through the roof. That trade was, it's so funny that still sticks to me, sticks with me to this day, right? It doesn't happen often, but when it does, you're like, wow.
What is this? Like, Apple is
I'm waiting
flying,
for
which I like it because I'm holding some Apple runners that I took yesterday, but even if I'm on a good swing trade, like right now I'm making a lot of money with the shares that I bought a few days ago. I'm holding some runners on Apple and Apple is killing it. I feel I'm not even happy because I cannot day trade futures. Like I need a good trade here. Yesterday was super drained. It was a draining day. It looks like today it's gonna be the same thing.
feeling that too.
But this is what makes trading so difficult. Being like watching these PA and being able to say, okay, I need to stay back and not trade anything, or if I'm gonna trade anything, I need to lower my size. Which is still not a good idea because we know even if we lower our size, the probabilities of going red are so big in this type of PA that it's better to just not trade.
Close a 5 minute, close the 5 minute over the orb high on NQ. ES looking like it wants to do that too, possibly. Guys, I don't know. I think I'm done here. 630 for me is the area. If we push over that, I think we're gonna get another push to the upside. GC's all over the map right now. It's coming back down, which is nice. See if it keeps okay, it's pushing down. Yeah, I think he's gonna now pop.
It's Apple. Apple is flying. It's up $4 today, and that's weird for Apple. Oy.
Okay, nice little push there. Like I said, over 30 is interesting to me.
Are we gonna have another ugly reaction here?
I don't know. I'm still looking to see if gold's gonna come down to 4208 area. Looks like maybe holding again here. There's a little sweep up to 58 on ES. And then see if NQ pops up to 54, gets that high of the day. Yep. Yep. Look at that. Right through it. Okay. Now you're looking for a push up into probably 700s. See if we hold this spot right here. The
If
five,
we
this
can
this
really hold these,
650 area.
the 50s on NQ, I like it for more upside.
Mm-hmm. Me too. But so far this morning I've been wrong, right? Like the 50 hold looks good, and we'll push down to 15 or 10, get me out, and then it will go to 50. We'll start pushing again after. It's one of those things. Okay.
I'm gonna try it out with two. I bought 2 micros. Let's see.
I think we can get this 700, I think. ES looks good up to 85. I got a meeting in 9 minutes, so I'm probably done for the day, but I'm gonna watch this here because I do like NQ pushing up now. Get ES, let's see ES up into 85. Mhm. Watching 50 here on NQ. 58 on ES.
This candlestick is not looking good. But let's see how it's gonna close. Yeah. I don't like that.
Casey looks like it wants to go lower.
Yeah.
Gold is gonna go.
Let's
See
Gold
that?
looks like it's gonna slip.
Great.
Oh boy. Holding on for dear life.
There goes gold trying to sweep that. Oh, damn. Jeez.
Yep. Yeah, we said it. We saw it. It was coming. Look at that.
Jeez.
That was aggressive. What a push down. Beautiful push down there. Thank you. Really want to see it hold this here. Get a push up to like 97-ish. I mean, I'd love to see upwards of 700, but I don't know at this point. It just feels so stuck.
All right, I'm logging off. I'm logging off
Yeah,
break even on my funded accounts and up on my YRM eval, which I don't really care about. So probably gonna log off
All right,
before I
bro.
do something dumb.
Yeah, I hear you. Today ain't the day for me either. Have a good day. I'll catch you tomorrow. I'm gonna hop off here
All
in a
right.
couple minutes. I got a meeting anyway.
See you guys.
Later, everybody.
See you guys.
Yeah.
All right, meeting time for me. Everybody, have a good rest of your day. Be careful.
You
This
too.
is rough action here.
Yeah.
I will catch you all tomorrow.
Yep.
All right. See ya.
I'm still here. I'm holding 4 runners. I'm holding 4 micros. And this is not looking good. Let's see. We're fighting here. Apple going crazy. Nvidia reacting. Come on, NQ, go. Do what ES is doing. Give me a crazy candle to the upside. Go.
What a move on gold. Wow. This is wild.
Okay, I like that bounce. We need to hold here. NQ needs to hold here. Whoa, Apple. That's crazy. Okay, bye. Look at these crazy I'm done. Red and done.
Yeah, this PA is dangerous.
This is ugly.
Yeah.
This is ugly. Okay, red day for me, and I'm done. 2 red trades. I'm not gonna try it out again. I'll see you guys mañana. This is an ugly PA. Ugly, ugly. No dice for me. Look at bouncing again. I hate you. Today's not my day. This PA. Yeah, I think this is more than enough for me. 2 red trades. I don't feel like taking more trades with this PA. I'm pretty happy with what I did with my shares and my options play from last week when the market was down. So I'm making money with that, but no luck with futures. This PA is ugly. And if I feel if I keep trying to get something out of this market, I'm just gonna keep adding to my red day. So I'm done. I don't like this. I'm done. Yeah, I'll see you guys mañana. Thank you for being here. Bye.